Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we are going to learn how to write a job acceptance email reply. This is a professional email you send to formally accept a job offer. It is very important because it confirms your acceptance in writing, ensures clarity about the job terms, and starts your new role on a professional note. Now let's break down each part of the email step by step, following the exact structure, and I'll show you what to write, why it matters, and I'll also give you a useful tip for each part to make your email even more professional. Check this out. Subject line. The subject line clearly states your intention to accept the job offer. This is important because it allows the employer to immediately understand the purpose of your email and keep their records organized. For example, subject, acceptance of job offer, Michael Anderson. Always keep your subject line clear and direct. Avoid vague titles like response or regarding offer because a specific subject line looks more professional and makes your email easier to track. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. Always address the hiring manager by their name to maintain professionalism and show respect. For example, Dear Ms. Williams. Double-check the spelling of the hiring manager's name and use the correct title, such as Mr., Miss, or Doctor, because small details like this reflect your attention to professionalism. Opening line. This is a short and polite introduction. It helps set a positive and respectful tone before you move into the main message. For example, I hope you are doing well. Keep this line simple and professional. Avoid overly casual phrases because this is still a formal business email. Acceptance paragraph. In this paragraph, you clearly accept the job offer. You should mention the job title and company name. This is very important because it serves as your formal written confirmation of acceptance. For example, thank you for offering me the position of marketing coordinator at Brightwave Marketing. I am pleased to formally accept this offer and am excited about the opportunity to join your team. Always express enthusiasm when accepting a job offer. This shows a positive attitude and helps create a great first impression with your new employer. Terms confirmation paragraph. Here, you confirm the key details of the job offer. You should mention the start date, salary, and any important terms. This ensures both you and the employer are aligned and avoids misunderstandings. For example, as discussed, I understand that my starting date will be July 15, 2026, with a salary of $65,000 per year and benefits as outlined in the offer letter. Please let me know if there are any documents or steps I need to complete prior to my start date. Always double-check these details before sending your email. Confirming incorrect information can create confusion or appear unprofessional. Appreciation and closing paragraph. This is where you express gratitude and reinforce your excitement. It helps end your email on a positive and professional note. For example, I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to contributing to the success of Brightwave Marketing. Thank you once again for this opportunity. Keep your tone appreciative but not overly long. A concise and sincere message is more effective and professional. Closure. For example, sincerely, this is your formal sign-off. Stick to professional closings like sincerely or best regards. Avoid informal closings such as cheers in a formal job acceptance email. Signature and contact information. Finally, you include your full name, phone number, and email address. This ensures the employer can easily reach you if needed. For example, Michael Anderson, 312-555-7789, michael.anderson@email.com. Make sure your contact information is accurate and professional, especially your email address. Avoid using informal email names. So that's how you write a job acceptance email reply, step by step. As you can see, every part of this email plays an important role in confirming your acceptance and starting your new job professionally. Before we wrap up, here are some important overall tips you should always remember when writing a job acceptance email. Always respond promptly after receiving the offer, ideally within 24 to 48 hours. Keep your message clear, professional, and positive. Double-check all the details, especially your start date and salary, to avoid misunderstandings. And most importantly, show enthusiasm and gratitude, because this email sets the tone for your future relationship with your employer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video.